In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google AI Studio. To get started, head over to the official Google AI Studio website and sign in with your regular Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which is where you choose the kind of project you want to work on. Depending on your goal, you can select something like a chat prompt, a freeform prompt, or a structured prompt. Each option is designed for a slightly different workflow, so just pick the one that best matches what you want to create. Next, let's look at the playground area, where you can chat with and test Google's Gemini models in a sandbox environment. Open the Chat tab to begin experimenting. In the prompt box at the bottom, you can type questions, paste links, or even upload images and videos, which makes it a flexible space for testing different kinds of inputs. This is especially useful if you want to see how the model responds to text, visual content, or mixed media. On the right-hand side, you'll find settings that help shape the AI's behavior. For example, temperature controls how creative or predictable the responses are. Lower settings usually give you more focused results, while higher settings can make the output more imaginative. You can also use system instructions to give the AI a consistent role, tone, or personality, which is helpful when you want more controlled responses. When you're ready to move beyond testing, switch to the Build tab. This is where you can create web or mobile apps using plain English instructions. Simply describe what you want to build, like a task manager or a quote generator, and let the AI generate the layout and code for you. From there, test the live preview, refine the design by continuing the conversation, and once everything looks right, click Deploy to publish your application. That's the basic workflow, and it's a great way to go from idea to working app quickly.